You want me to do something?
No. Go talk with your daddy. Go chit chat with your mommy.
You're in the house.
Yeah, go.
All right. Have at her. Hey everybody. Welcome back to another beautiful but odd January day in Edmonton, Alberta. It is +7. It's, too warm for January. But it makes it beautiful for working in the bus. So we are back here today. We got that little bit of the floor done last time. We're gonna clean that up. Christina's gonna grind all the screws out off the floor there. We're gonna stack up the wood in the back corner because I don't have anywhere else to throw it. Then we are going to tackle the floor here. And our goal today is to get all this flooring out all the way up to behind the driver's seat. And get all the screws out as well. Then from there we can start looking at the wiring, I guess. But that is the goal for today. Let's get at it. Okay, this is the bottom side. This is an example of what we're looking for. So this is the bottom. This is the top where the linoleum was. So underneath, against the metal of the bus floor, this is what we've got. So screw hole from the seat bolt, seat bolt, seat bolt. This is all wet, all rotted. This is what we're looking for. Everywhere that one of these are, there's rust. And left untreated, that rust will just spread. And a couple years down the road, we could have a real mess.
Yeah, there's rust like this. So there's rust like this, which is superficial now, but if we were to let it go and had left the original floor in, this would eventually have rusted out.
Right.
So, and then it'll obviously start rusting out the stuff next to it.
Yeah. And that's no bueno.
And you don't really want your floor rusting out on you.
As Christina said, you don't want the floor rusting out from under you. So that's what we're looking for. We're looking for rust, we're looking for mold, we're looking for holes. And I'm hoping we find no holes, but if we're going to, it's going to be underneath, around the wheel wells, there may be some holes there, or up at the door where most of the moisture just kind of sits. Hopefully not.
Woohoo! I can do the driving stuff. We're just cruising. This. Oh, it's a big long piece.
Oh, sorry, I thought I came up the other side.
What are you laughing at?
Just the way it's just popping and cracking. Not breaking where I cut it.
Nope.
This is the hard part. Ripping the floor out is not easy. But we're almost done what we're doing for today. Right up to the steps and that'll be it. And as you can see by me, I'm all sweaty. Christina's all sweaty. This is half the fun. Do you want me to do something?
No. Go talk with your daddy. Go chit chat with your mommy.
You're in the house.
Yeah, go.
All right, that better. I just got kicked out of the bus. Apparently somebody's having far too much fun zip cutting the screw heads off on the floor, so I got told to go away for a while.
Okay, so this is before and after.
So there we have it. The floor in the living space is all out. We have very little rust. Just where the screws were and the bolts were, which we expected. Around the wheel wells, which we expected. We've got wire brushes. We're going to clean this all up with the grinder eventually, not next time. Well, next time we come back, we're going to take this all out. The seat's going to come out, the heater's going to come out, and probably take all the wooden stuff off the steps.
Yeah.
And then we're really rolling. That's it for today. It's a bit of a shorter video because we just had a little bit to do. We are not coming back to the bus next weekend because we are going snowboarding to the mountains.
Yay!
So that's that. Thanks for coming along for the ride.
And if you like my shirt, it's Eat, Sleep, Hike, Repeat. We
She-
do have this at our store.
She wasn't flashing everybody.
No, yes I was. I was flashing everybody my shirt.
www.genx-ventures.com. That'll be linked below. Check it out. We got a lot of really cool shirts and stuff. I can't wait to buy more of them.
Well, because I do have one of my goals in life is to hike the GDT with my dog Issa.
Yes.
By myself, with me and my dog.
And I get to stay home with the other dog and just worry.
No, you get to meet me because you have to take her for that one section.
That's right. There is a section of the GDT that she's not allowed to have the dog, so I have to hike 50 kilometers in with her and 50 kilometers back out. That's going to be fun. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you're still watching, we've been battling.
And be sure to hit the subscribe button
Smash the like button.
and the alarm.
Hit the little bell icon so you can get notified every time we upload something new. We try and get stuff out every week.
Try, yeah.
We try. After this one, the following one will probably be a snowboarding video.
Yeah.
A lot of falling, I'm sure.
By me.
Anything else we want to say?
No, I don't think so. Thanks for watching. Bye.
That's it. We're out.